Hello everyone, it's Hanny with my little birdie. The other day I bought this vintage bird in the thrift store, and well, when I showed you what I bought, I dropped it on the floor and his little tail is gone. And I thought, well, there are some pieces left, but I don't think I can't. No. I have to think of something. I'm going to try to repair this little thingy. I have some tapes and some band and some thread and other stuff and little feathers. So, yeah. I don't know. I never done this before. I thought, well, maybe I could put some feathers in his tail if I have the right color. Here I have a little red feather. What do I say? A big red feather. And I don't have golden feathers, of course. I have this one. So I will look for some feathers, which I can use. Here I have another one, a red one. Just trying to make a little tail with these thingies. Maybe something like that. Yeah, that fits. Something like that. Do I like that? I don't know. Just push it in to see if it fits. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe one. You can't give me advice because I can't hear you. Maybe not too much. Maybe a little red one. And little, those two maybe. Could do that, yeah. Not the big one. That's too much feather. They fly away, those feathers. I can't get them off my fingers, so now it's okay. And maybe this tape or this tape. Glue it with the heat gun, maybe. Where is the start? I have to look a bit closer if I can't find it. Can I feel it? Yeah, here it is. Here it is. Well, it doesn't stick that. Just do that around it, like that. Maybe some red first. I shall put my heat gun on. Maybe a piece of this here. Something like that. Yeah, could do that. Could do that. It doesn't stick, of course, but I just want to try something. Something. Yeah. Well, that looks okay. Maybe I should do some stuff in it. Some stuff to stuff it. What shall I use for that? Some Yeah. Maybe some kitchen towel. Why not? Maybe some kitchen towel. To put in there, so it will be a bit, I have a bit more to hold. Oh, that disappears completely. Just stuff the little animal. Maybe you have a lot of tips for me. Maybe not. Well, there goes a lot in it. A lot. It's such a pity it well, I will get my glue gun and put it on so I can put some glue in it. I hope, yeah. So I have a little, well, where the tape can hold, how do you say that? It has to stick on something. Well, let's do it this way. Just wait till the glue is, yeah, it's on. He misses a great piece of his tail. It was that long, I think. There weren't no feathers in it. I bought it without feathers, but he had his little bottom where I could stick some feathers in. No, yeah. I see glue. I smell glue. Oh. I think that's okay. This way. And when I use the tape, maybe I should do it with some painter's tape first. Just to give it some body. Where are my scissors here? Just to give it some body. Oh, I have to stick the feathers in, of course. Well, I can cut a little piece off again. Something like that. Well, that's, I think that's okay. Just a little hole for the feathers. Then I'm putting the feathers in first, I think. Let's try that. Some glue in there. Oh. Up. Some glue in there. And the feathers. This is a very thin one. Come on. Well, the glue is dry now, I think. No, not quite. Well, I think that's nice. And now some red glitter tape. Maybe I should glue that. And cut this off again, this piece. If I succeed. Well, let's try. I start at the bottom. Oops. Maybe some, oh, come on. Some glue over here. So it sticks. Ah, this is okay. Ew. Maybe I should let it dry first. So I think I have to let it dry. Squeeze this. This is a bit thick, I know. But I think I'm going to solve that with some other tape. No, I don't like that. I have some other stuff here. Some yarn. Yeah. Don't know. Don't know. It's getting thicker and thicker, of course. How shall I do that? How shall I do that? I want to do that a bit different. It's thick because I have a lot of glue over there, so I'm going to cut that off. Because there's too much glue. So I will do that another way. Maybe I should tie a bit yarn around this. I don't know. I don't know. I could paint it. I could paint it. I like it this way. I don't like the color though. Maybe I have red metallic paint, but I'm not sure if I have, and this is not quite okay yet. But it's much better now than it was. So I will think about that, what to do. I think I'm going to paint that. Put some more glue over here. So it holds a bit better. Like that. So now I'm trying to glue the whole thing. Make a bit of room over here. To paint the whole thing. That's enough. Just paint it. Could do some red, but I'm not sure if the red paint is the same color, and it's I don't think I have red metallic. So it's not a beauty, I know. It's not a beauty. Well, I have to let it dry. Oh, it's not complete dry yet, but I found this and I have some glitter. Maybe I could do something with that. But this sticks, and I like this. This is sticking very well. Oh, it's going to be too thick. It's going to be too thick. Maybe some loose sequences here and there. Not so many. Maybe that will help. And it doesn't stick very well anymore. So, well, I think I'll leave it this way. And now I'll do something about that over here. Well, it's not ready yet. Well, should do it with this glue then. Just try a little piece. But it will be too wet. Yeah. Well, I have to look for some other glue. Oh, I was trying everything. I tried it with this Contacta professional glue, and well, what I did is well, that doesn't fit. I painted it red, and I'm throwing glitters on it. That should work. I hope. Oops. Now I have red glitter in my white glitter. That should stick. Voila. So now I let it dry. And it's okay this way. Maybe I should put this off again. No. And it doesn't win a contest, this little bird, but I can use it. And I like it. So just some glitter. That should work. It's okay by me this way. What do you say? Is it okay this way? When it's dry, I'll take a picture of it. Just cutting some glue off. It doesn't have to be perfect, but well, I think this is okay. I won't blow now. I will just wait till it's a bit drier. Yeah, it's okay. Succeeded. Thank you for watching. Bye.